Welcome back to the 5-day challenge. Guess what? We are on day 4. And on day 4, we are still talking about our ideal audience, because now that we are clear on like some demographics and maybe even some psychographics, we want to dig what? We want to dig deeper. So now we're going to really focus on what their struggles are. This is like so important, because you're going to take that same information and you're going to craft a course that speaks to their heart. So I definitely want you to write this stuff in your workbooks. Definitely write what their struggles are, right? What their pain points are. And then you also want to write down, what are their goals? What are they trying to achieve? This is going to give you so much ammunition to just create something that's out of this world. I'm trying to tell you. Take it from me. I know. This part I know. So definitely write that stuff in your workbooks, because we're going to dig deep again on the live broadcast, because some of you may not have this information. And I want to share some strategies with you how to get this information, because the more information you have, the less thinking you got to do. And when you're creating courses and products, you don't want to really think. You want to take the information stop it, Chloe. You want to take the information that's factual, that you know that they're suffering from and what they need help with, and you want to craft stuff around that. So meet me in the group tomorrow at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time, where we are going to dig in. I'm going to share with you the same strategies that I do and how I obtain my information and how you can get started on obtaining yours as well. So see you guys on the inside tomorrow at noon.